Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 6th, 2022. We are going to talk about Fantom today, and we're going to try to see, can we allow the market to pump? Are we going to see a pump occur in the market in Fantom? Because if so, we want to be in position so that we can profit from the move. So join me. To those who are new, welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I come through and I show you all this is not a complicated game. In fact, it's relatively easy to figure out where the prices are trying to go. And if we understand where prices are going to go, we can actually win and capitalize from it. So to those who want to, you guys can. The doors are open. You can join me, and you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing to the channel. If you guys want to become more proficient, more understanding as to how you can walk these cryptocurrency streets on your own, then tap that bell notification, because every video that I produce is always a learning opportunity for you all to become better for yourself. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about Fantom real quick. You guys can see I've already conducted a price prediction. It's already here on TradingView, right here in front of you. You all can see what my expectations were on July the 19th. That was the last video that I produced, and here it is today, August the 6th. And you guys can see that the market in Cadena almost came all the way up here to my ultimate TP area, which is right here. Okay, look at that. Just today, almost 21% move since July the 19th. Can we still see the price in Fantom run up? That's the question. Because if so, I've already identified around 39 cents, 40 cents that could be a problem for us to see the market in Fantom go down. That's a problem right there. So I wanted to come through and revise and give you all an update as to what we can look forward to in Fantom. So congratulations to those who also predicted this move higher in Fantom, because it didn't. We're done. We need to look forward. That's one of the best things that we have amongst our opponents, amongst our competition, is that we're able to try to gauge where the market's going to go. So let me get rid of this. Pretty good call there. Let me take that away, because the concern that I still see is basically by the market in Fantom down 2 3/4% right now. It tells me that that 40-cent level that I identified is still acting as a barrier. It is still a problem for the buyer. So I'm just going to simply extend out this line, because I want all of us to know that if we don't see Fantom break up above 40 cents, we already know why. Okay, so let me get rid of that. And now I wanted to also show you that the overall market trend in Fantom is now in an upward move. We're in an upward trend to the market in Fantom. So let me go ahead and create that. Okay, I wanted to show everyone that the current trend into the market in Fantom is higher. Look at that. So we are in an upward trend into the market in Fantom. The only problem is 40 cents. So will we be able to see the market in Fantom break outside of 40 cents? Because if so, then we are in fantastic position right now. That's the gist of what this video is going to be about. So let me show you all what we got on the 2-day chart, because right now we got 8 hours left and we are still seeing sellers come into the market in Fantom right now. So we have this ascending line that needs to maintain and allow the buyers to show us that they're still willing to buy Fantom in this particular market. All right, so go ahead and get rid of that. Now I do like this last completed 2-day price bar right here though. Okay, but we're just going through some selling right now. So we need to allow the buyers to convince us that they're willing to continue to buy Fantom alongside that ascending line. Okay, so let's look at this on the 3-day chart real quick, because even here on the 3-day chart, the market here in Fantom still looks decent. We're just noticing some selling right now. So if you're trying to gauge an opportunity to when to enter the market, from what I'm seeing on the 2-day and the 3-day chart, is letting me know that you may want to wait to come into this market, because I want us to see the buyers. And so far, they're not sure of themselves, right? They're not. Weekly chart right now in Fantom, so far the current market still looks pretty decent. We're just bumping our head up against 40 cents. That's it. So let me look at this on the hourly chart. So I want us to really see how weak the market is in Fantom. Okay, yeah, so it's a little weak. Let me zoom out because I want us to try to see how low can the market go, and we'll still expect the price to run up, maybe around 34 cents. I would say no lower than 32. It's where the market in Fantom needs to hold support. Okay, 32. So that would even take us to seeing the price in Fantom break this ascending line for us to come down to 32. And if that occurs, then the market is just going to simply continue to trade sideways is my expectation. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this on a different hourly time frame. I want us to see a little bit closer because the volume is not necessarily coming in for Fantom as we see this weakness right here. And let me show it to you. Okay. The volume is not really coming in on this 11-hour price bar because you guys can see it down here. The volume is light. It's not that heavy. And even on this current 11-hour price bar, which, I mean, we still got 5 hours left. And the volume is still currently light. So I'm not really too concerned with an immense amount of selling going on into the market in Fantom right now. So I'm still going to play the strength in this space. But it may take time. We understand that the buyers are trying to take out 40 cents right now, but they're just taking their time. They're not in a hurry to break this market in Fantom to the upside just yet. Okay, so now let me take this back over to the daily chart, and I'm still going to play the strength into the market in Fantom. Okay, now support is going to be around 32 cents. That's the first thing. We already know the risk is right here right now at 40. So on the attempt for us to see Fantom come back up to 40 cents, there's nothing wrong with taking profitability there because we already know what we're up against. We know that the sellers are positioned right there. So as the market continues to inch higher towards 40 cents, what's wrong with you taking 8% out the market? What's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. This is the name of the game, is to be profitable. That's it. So that's going to be my first TP area. My second one is going to be up here towards 43 cents, which is around 17% movement higher, possibly 45. Okay, so we have 40 cents first. Second area is around 43 cents, and then the third area is around 45. And that's it. I'm done. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and give me your idea as to how you think the market in Fantom is going to trade. Yes, from out the gate, I am prepared to see the price in Fantom fall, to go down, but I have 32 cents that I'm going to keep referencing. Now, let me do this though. Let me bring it down just a little bit lower to 30. All right, there you go. Your turn. Go ahead and let me know what do you think the market in Fantom is up to. In terms of a pump, if we see the market go like this, right? If we see the market in Fantom do this, that's a pump, right? Because it was so fast, it happened so quick. If it does this, it's not necessarily like a pump. It's taking its time, right? Now, from what I'm seeing, I'm not looking for the market to do a pump right now, but it can happen. Anything's possible. Tell me, what is your thoughts? Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.